fried rice. Look at this. So simple and delicious. Okay, add a little more oil. We're gonna add our rice. Yes, now you can get this rice. You know you have rice in your house. You just add that rice. You're trying to figure out what to do with your rice? This is what you need to do. Just blend all that up together. Yes, look at that. That's looking great. Now, this is really fast, guys. This is a quick dish. All right, let's put our onion in. Yes. All right, our carrots. Get that nice color in there. Yes. Wow. Mix it up nicely. Your pan is really hot. Add our broccoli. Yes. All right, now we're gonna add our soy sauce. Always do it on the edges. Get that flavor in there, guys. Yes. Then we're gonna hit it with our black pepper. Look at that. Got some nice color. All right. Yes. Oh, that smells delicious. And this is it, guys. Egg fried rice. Look at this. So simple and delicious. Okay, guys, here you have it. Let's serve it up. This is it, guys. Those of you that are the first time to my video, please like and subscribe. Until next time, enjoy cooking with Al.